online virtual meeting. I request Mr. T.N. Unni sir, the chairman of the meeting, to provide me permission to start with the proceedings. Sir, please.
Permission granted.
Thank you, sir. I, Puneet Karade, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Sayaji Group, is delighted to welcome you all at the 7th Annual General Meeting of Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited, being conducted through audio-video conferencing in compliance with the guidelines issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. Before we proceed further, I would like to introduce all you to your Board of Directors and other panelists who have joined this meeting. Mr. T.N. Unni sir, the chairperson of this meeting, Mr. Abhay Chaudhary sir. Sir, I request you to please just
Good morning.
view your video. Next is Mr. Rauf Razak Dhanani sir, Director. Mrs. Suchitra Dhanani ma'am, Director. Mr. Salim Akbutwala sir, Independent Director. Mrs. Preeti Gupta ma'am, Independent Director. Mr. Karan Singh Chabra sir, Additional Director. Mrs. Riya Chabra ma'am, Additional Director. Further, we have with us Mr. Sandesh Khandelwal sir, Sayaji Group Chief Financial Officer. Mr. Yash Agrawal, Chief Financial Officer of Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited. Mr. Himanshu Sharma sir, Statutory Auditor of the company. Mr. Nilesh Gupta sir, presented here as a scrutinizer. He is a practicing company secretary and a scrutinizer for this meeting. Mr. Anuj Nima sir, Secretary Auditor, and all other panelists who have presented here. I welcome to you at this AGM. Once again, I welcome to you, and now I request Mr. T.N. Unni sir, Chairman of the meeting, to deliver a few words to the members and set the meeting in motion. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Dear members, a very good morning to you all. I, Thottapulli Narayanan Unni, Independent Director and the Chairman of the Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited, welcome you all to the 7th Annual General Meeting of Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited, a significant occasion where we gather to reflect and deliberate upon our achievements, future prospects, and to take important decisions that shape the future course of our organization. As the chairman, it is my honor to address you today and express my gratitude for your unwavering support and trust through Sayaji journey. I wish a good health and safety of you and your family. As the notice convening this meeting includes board's report and financial statements for the financial year ended on 31st March 2025, along with the auditor's report issued by Messrs. KL Vyas and Company Chartered Accountants, which form part of the annual report, are already provided to you electronically, and with the members' permission, I propose to take the same as read. Today, I am pleased to share our progress, reflect on our journey, and look ahead to exciting opportunities. The Indian government's continued focus on tourism and infrastructure development has positively impacted the hospitality sector. Initiatives like Dekho Apna Desh campaign and enhanced allocation under the Swadesh Darshan and Prasad schemes have boosted domestic travel, improved connectivity through road, rail, and regional airports, has increased accessibility to emerging destinations. Over the past year, we faced global headwinds, particularly due to the prolonged Russia-Ukraine conflict, which significantly disrupted international travel and tourism. However, we witnessed a remarkable recovery in domestic travel as more people chose to explore within the country. This shift in consumer behavior presented new opportunities, allowing us to refocus our strategies on local markets and enhance guest experiences relevant to domestic preferences. I am pleased to report that this strong demanded a crucial role in helping us meet and, in some areas, exceed our performance targets. Tourism today is more than just an economic activity. It has become a cultural and emotional bridge that connects people, communities, and experiences. It brings in valuable foreign exchange, supports millions of jobs, especially in smaller towns and rural areas, and highlights the best of Indian hospitality, tradition, and innovation. Our resilience, adaptability, and commitment to service excellence have kept us on steady path of recovery and growth. We are confident that our agile approach and commitment to excellence will continue to create long-term value for our shareholders. Now, let me take a moment to share a few key highlights of the company's financial performance during the year 2024-25. During the year under review, the total revenue of your company stands at rupees 10,613.39 lakhs as compared to rupees 9,669.77 lakhs in the previous year. The net profit after tax for the year is significantly increased and stands at rupees 1,057.11 lakhs as compared to rupees 718.41 lakhs in the previous year, and the earning per share is rupees 34.70 as compared to rupees 23.58 in the previous year. In line with our commitment to social responsibility, the company spent rupees 6,18,800 towards various CSR initiatives during the financial year 2024-25. Our focus has been on contributing to meaningful causes that create lasting impact in the communities we serve. Looking ahead, we have earmarked an estimated CSR expenditure of rupees 15,14,037 for the current year, reaffirming our dedication to inclusive growth and sustainable development beyond business. At the core of our company's philosophy is a simple yet powerful goal to create lasting value for all our stakeholders, our shareholders, customers, employees, government partners, and the communities we proudly serve. I want to sincerely thank every member of our incredible team. Your hard work, passion, and unwavering dedication have been the true heartbeat of this company. As we look ahead, I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the Board of Directors and myself to the respected government authorities, local authorities, banking partners, suppliers, shareholders, and every individual who has been part of our journey. It has been our honor to serve you, and we eagerly anticipate continuing to build these valuable relationships. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time, attention, and continued support. With that, I now invite Mr. Aditya Kasera, the Company Secretary, to take over and proceed with the remaining agenda for today's meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, respected sir. A very good morning to everyone. I, Aditya Kasera, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited, extend a warm welcome on behalf of company to all our esteemed members, directors, auditors, and other participants who have joined us today at the 7th Annual General Meeting of the Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited for the financial year 24-25. I am attending this meeting from the registered office of the company situated at Sayaji Hotels Indore. The meeting is being conducted through video conferencing and in accordance with the applicable guidelines and circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India from time to time. The deemed venue of this meeting shall be the registered office of the company. Before we begin the proceedings of the annual general meeting, I would like to bring to your attention a few important points to ensure a smooth experience while participating through video conferencing. The first, the proceedings of the meetings are being recorded for compliance purposes. The facility of participation at the AGM through video conferencing will be made available on first come, first served basis. The members have been provided with the facility to exercise their right to vote by electronic means, both through remote e-voting facility and e-voting at the annual general meeting. All the members who have joined this meeting are by default placed on mute to avoid any disturbance from background noise and ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. The e-voting facility for all those members who had not voted through remote e-voting earlier, that is from 13 September 2025, 9 a.m. to 16th September 2025, 5 p.m. are now requested to vote on the agenda items. The remote e-voting facility has also been made available at the annual general meeting till 15 minutes post conclusion of this meeting. The board of directors has appointed Mr. Nilesh Gupta, the practicing company secretary, as the scrutinizer of this meeting. Based on the report of scrutinizer, the combined result of remote e-voting and e-voting done at the meeting today will be announced and displayed on the website of the company and will also be submitted to the stock exchange as per the requirements under the SEBI listing regulations. The register of directors and KMP and their shareholding and the register of contracts or arrangements in which directors are interested and the other statutory registers are available at the website of Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited and CDSL e-voting website and remain accessible to all the members for inspection electronically if they desire so. I would now like to proceed with the meeting and address each agenda items that are required to be passed as outlined in the notice of the meeting sequentially. The first item of ordinary business is to receive, consider, and adopt the audited financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. Together with the report of Board of Directors, Statutory Auditors Report, and Secretarial Auditors Report, which are submitted at this meeting and circulated to all the members of the company under the relevant provision of Companies Act 2013 by passing ordinary resolution. Our second item of ordinary business is to appoint a director in place of Mrs. Suchitra Dhanani ma'am, who retires by rotation in terms of section 152 subsection 6 of the Companies Act 2013 and being eligible offer herself for reappointment by passing ordinary resolution. The resolution number 3 of the notice containing a special business is to appoint C.S. Anuj Nema, practicing company secretary, as secretarial auditor of the company for a period of 5 years commencing from the conclusion of this annual general meeting till the conclusion of 12th annual general meeting of the company by passing ordinary resolution. The resolution number 4 of the notice containing special business is to increase the borrowing limits of the company under section 180 subsection 1c of the Companies Act 2013 up to rupees 200 crores by passing special resolution. The resolution number 5 of the notice containing special business is to provide financial assistance by way of loan, guarantee, security to any body corporate in which the directors of the companies are interested by having a common directorship for their principal business requirement up to the limit of in rupees 50 crores by passing special resolution. Now, with this, all the agenda items set forth in the notice of the meeting have been completed. Now I request Mr. Krishna Gupta to unmute the speaker shareholders for the query session. All the speaker shareholders are kindly requested to use headphone while speaking, minimize background noise, ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection, and maintain proper lighting to facilitate a high quality interaction. Now I invite Mr. Rahul Kumar Paliwal, the speaker shareholder, to present his queries.
Good morning to all of you. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. So, Sayaji is the iconic brand which the people from the middle part of the India can recognize, and that has been now diverted into different entities. So we may ask, like wanted to know from the promoter, Dhanani family, what exactly is their plan related to putting all these entity into different legal entities. And now when Century 21st has taken it over, we have certain questions which we have dropped email already, and if you want I can repeat it here itself. So a new promoter, what's their capital and vision on this front? Like capital commitment gap, how does Century 21 with a 1 lakh paid up capital justify acquiring a 350 CR hospitality asset? And what is your 3-year funding roadmap? Hope someone is noting as well. Then, so we have Century 21 Paradise construction finance is the main activity. So, are you going to leverage this Sayaji hotel estate for pledging, and that might introduce us a cross default protection risk as an investor? Then we have a question about beyond capital, what specific operational value does Century 21st real estate background bring to the hotel management? Then there is an interview by the management about 12,000 keys timeline. So I guess it is throughout the different brands, different legal entities now. Maybe you may clarify on this number of keys, because given the balance sheet, I don't think we have a capacity to move that much possible in 113 cities expansion. What percentage of expansion, if you are at all planning, then you wanted to go with your own properties or lease properties? Then there is a focus on tourism and religious tourism. So have you identified certain hotel assets in other places apart from Indore, which you wanted to included in the Sayaji Indore listed entity? Then operational excellence front, I have a question on brand diversification. What is Sayaji's unique value proposition against other hotels like Lemon Tree and mid market segment hotels? And then you spoke about woman-centric segment. Can you focus on it, comment on it as well? Then our most of the revenue is from the Indore property, Sayaji. So what is the plan to reduce the dependency of the revenue from a single property? And debt management front, we have a 1% interest cost increase. What is targeted debt to EBITDA ratio, and what are the alternative fund sources being explored? Then there is some legal cases of ID and litigation pendings. Maybe you can focus, put some comment on that as well. So more or less, we wanted to know the broader picture or the bigger picture of a new acquirer, the 21st Century Management, to understand their plan with this iconic property and iconic brand to carry it forward. And are they going to rename it? Like, for example, Dhanani family retain other hotels like Pune and so on. So are they going to rename it to something else? And given the deep pockets which 21st Century might come up with this business, what are their plans? I mean, do they really want to expand into a hotel change, or like business model wise, they want to go in a typical asset owning front or asset like Ola, and to scale it further? So we really want to know new management's focus on entire business model. So looking forward to hear it, sir. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
These will answer the initial questions. You can request everyone.
Rauf, sir.
I request Rao sir to answer the initial questions. Then we'll
The plans, etc.
yes, the requirement of future plans and other related queries of the shareholders. Mr. Rahul, Rahul sir, are you there?
Let's go unmute. It is let's go unmute.
No.
Hello, sir.
Panelist has options to unmute.
Yeah, now, okay. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible. You can now answer.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are now audible.
Now,
Rao
are
sir,
you audible? Please. Sir Rahul? Okay, Mr. Rahul is on mute. Mr. Rahul, we have heard your queries. So we got your questions in writing also. So basically, regarding the query, like the Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited is doing expansion. It's coming up with a new property at Indore with 250 rooms. It will be a upscale luxury property. And the capital commitment in the current financial year is 180 crore. This property is based at Indore Bypass Road. Regarding your question whether Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited is planning to enter into any real estate business, no, we are not planning to enter into any real estate business. Then you have query regarding the integration strategies and synergies. So as I explained, basically it's a strategic sale by the existing promoters. The group as a whole, which includes Sayaji Hotels Limited, Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited, Sayaji Hotels Pune Limited, is under aggressive expansion, and there will be some strategic decisions. So in accordance with that, the C21 group has joined as a promoter in this company. And regarding merger or any hybrid model combining property development, etc., the company will inform its future plans to all the stakeholders. No merger or such kind of plans in pipeline as of now. Regarding the expansion roadmap, 12,000 key, which you have asked the question. So yes, as a group, we are under aggressive expansion under different companies. Sayaji Hotels Limited, Sayaji Hotels Pune Limited, Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited. Like Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited is developing a project which I already explained. So updates will be shared by company time to time. So these are long-term plans. Your next query is regarding asset light versus asset heavy strategy. So as already explained, Sayaji Hotels Indore Limited is expanding in asset heavy model as of now. And the 250 room upscale luxury property will be launched by end of this year. The total capital commitment is 180 crore rupees, which is already tied up with banks. Regarding your fifth question, revenue management and pricing power. Please note that last year, the occupancy of Sayaji Hotels Indore, the operational hotel under this company, was 84%. The ARR was 5730. And regarding the rest of the part of the question regarding to tier 2, tier 3 cities. So basically, in the current market scenario, the market price is a factor of demand and supply and is purely dynamic in nature. And company use revenue management tools of international standards, whereby company is able to maintain a healthy ARR and excellent occupancy. So your next question is regarding brand differentiation and market positioning. So we are working on in this direction. Basically, we are implementing initiatives, many initiatives to ensure safety and comfort, like women-only floors, personalized concierge services, etc., just to take care of the safety and security of our guests and give them personalized experience. So now coming to financial strategy and risk management, we have asked questions regarding debt strategy and interest cost management. So as I already mentioned that the capital commitment of 180 crore is already tied up with Union Bank of India for the upcoming project. And regarding interest, you know, RBI has already started reduction in repo rates, and consequently, the interest rates on term loans are also coming down. So last year, FY25, our DSCR was 3.78 times and debt equity ratio was 0.47 times. The targeted debt equity ratio is in comfortable range of 1.5 after we take the entire loan for the new project. So your next question is regarding single asset risk mitigation timeline. So as already explained, we have already started a new project to diversify. It will be a upscale luxury hotel. And we are present in Indore market since last 30 years. So we do not see any major risks. As we read by you, like if Indore property faces operational disruptions, what are the risk management framework? So since we are there since last 30 years, there is no such risk which we foresee which can disrupt the business drastically. So under category E, you have asked a few legal and regulatory questions regarding the ongoing dispute with Indore Development Authority. So you may kindly note that company has filed a writ appeal which is admitted, and at present the matter is pending before Indore bench of High Court, MP High Court. Company has also applied for compounding. That matter is also pending before High Court. Regarding corporate governance and succession planning, so as yes, you may be aware, the incoming promoters have appointed 2 directors on the board, and there is no change in existing leadership team in our existing hotels. And we don't foresee any change in leadership. Then you have next question regarding Jain and other pilgrimage locations, and you ask about the company plans regarding same. So as of now, there are no such plans under pipeline. Company will inform the update time to time as and when any contract is signed or any expansion is planned. I hope all the queries are covered. So with this, your queries are covered.
Yeah,
And
thank-
our MD is also here. So regarding the future plans in this company, we will also update the shareholders when it is meeting. Request Rahul sir to kindly tell few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. So here, this is a specific question regarding our expansion plan in Sayaji Indore Limited. See, these are based out of from Indore. So we are trying to develop a western part of Madhya Pradesh because we have a dominance and in this part of the Madhya Pradesh. So here, being a promoter C21, who are into real estate as well as other businesses also. So we are taking the help from them to create, like in Ujjain, we are trying to look at it. And then we have a leisure destination at Mandav, then near Bhopal. So these are the Western Madhya Pradesh, Sayaji Indore Limited, with their plans coming up now, because recently they have joined with us. So we are trying to build up our expansion plan with them so that we have more assets to manage, to run, and to operate Western Madhya Pradesh, where our joint promoters are also very well conversed with this part of the Madhya Pradesh. So that is an expansion plan of Sayaji Indore Limited. Because rest of the company, Sayaji Hotel Limited, which is having their own expansion plan with all over India, that we will come up once we are having the AGM in the evening. Those plans will be divulged at that moment. But for Sayaji Indore Limited, this is what we have in western part of Madhya Pradesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Rauf and sir, for patience hearing and responding to us. And thanks for
Thank you, Mr. Rahul Baliwal.
Mr. Rahul is not audible.
Krishnaji, Mr. Rahul is not audible.
Okay, I was unmuted. I just wanted to say the management, Mr. Dhanani, that I could recall my marriage in 2001 in Sayaji Hotel, and that was very great hospitality. So all the best for your plan and to the current management to take it further. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rauf sir and Sandesh sir, for resolving the shareholders' query. Since there are no further speaker shareholders available with us, so we hereby conclude this query session. Now, with the permission of the chairman, I would now like to conclude the meeting. I extend my sincere gratitude to all the members, a respected chairman, the directors of the company, the statutory secretarial and internal auditors, the scrutinizer of this meeting, our group chief financial officer, group company secretary, the chief financial officer of the company, and all other attendees for their valuable presence and participation. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just end the meeting.